There is no set interval for changing oil in a Haldex pump, but for those of us who want to take care of our Volvos, it's a no-brainer. All oils eventually lose their efficiency, so changing it periodically, perhaps every 60,000 kilometers, will extend the life of the pump and the Haldex system. The kit we're going to use in this video can be found at our website, Vparts.se. We'll start by loosening this connector. Just bend the plastic piece backwards, which will release the lock, and then pull it out carefully. Next, we have two 10mm screws that need to be removed. One on this side, and the other on the opposite side at the top. And now you can remove the pump. But be ready for oil to pour out. Have something underneath to catch it.
Good. Sarah.
You can see here how much dirt has accumulated around the filter on the pump, which you definitely don't want to get inside and ruin the pump, so you should give this a clean up. You can use some brake cleaners to remove the dirt before removing the filter. Once it's clean, you can put it all back together. For reference, this car has driven a bit over 130,000 kilometers. This quick service is definitely worth it if you want to maintain the system's function. You should also replace these O-rings since they come with the kit. It's also a good idea to clean a bit here. Before you reinstall the pump, give it a clean up here as well. Now we can install the pump, making sure the connector is upright.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then you can see when we change this exhaust to a Simon's exhaust.
These need to be tightened to 10 Newton meters, but we don't have a tool that goes that low.
Click.
Now of course, reconnect the wires. Now it's time to fill up the oil. We'll loosen this plug that's located on the top here. Some people can use a coin, or you can use a small screwdriver like this one. It's a small plastic nut that you can unscrew. Once it comes out, you can check that the O-ring seals are in good shape. This one looks good. So now to fill the oil. And how much should you add? This litre bottle that comes with the kit should be more than enough. Fill it until oil starts to overflow from the plug. The easiest way to do this is with a suction pump, which is included in our kit. It has an input and an output. Insert the input into the oil can and put the output into the hole. Once it starts to overflow, you can replace the oil plug. Next, we'll take the car for a drive for around 5 minutes to let the oil circulate into all the necessary areas. Then afterwards, we'll refill it again if it needs a little extra. Now we're back from our drive, we'll remove the oil plug and top up the oil again. It didn't need much at all.
And that's job done. It could save you money in the future. You saw how the filter looked. So quick and easy to do. You can buy the parts at Vparts.se. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.